Hi everybody, welcome to this short video tutorial on how to create a discussion post in Google Classroom for distance e-learning. Now, to easily create a discussion post where students can interact with each other, post questions, things like that on a specific topic, we're going to go ahead and go to the top and click Classwork. And then from there, let's click the Create, and then we'll scroll down to Question. Here we can type in the question, and we can add optional instructions like that. When I'm ready, I can also select, is this a short answer or is this a multiple choice question? We'll do short answer. And when I'm ready to post it, well, let's check over here first, and I'll move my webcam so we can see these things. We can choose a specific due date if we want. So if we want to give students an entire week to post on this, if we want to give them only for that day, we can choose that. We can also select specific topics if we have those outlined already in our classroom. And then here we have two options. Students can reply to each other, and also students can edit their answer. Now, if you're going to be using this as a discussion post, it's important that you make sure that you have the students can reply to each other here. If you would like students to be able to edit their own answers, so maybe they make a typo or something, they can go back and do that. You have that option there. I also warn against that because it also allows students to go back and rewrite their answers to a discussion question to fit the correct answer. So it might be best if you leave that blank, but I'll leave that up to you via teacher discretion. When you're ready to go, you can choose to either ask it immediately, or you can create a scheduled version of it and choose when you would like for it to be posted. If you have any questions on how to create a discussion post in Google Classroom, please feel free to email me, or you can leave a comment underneath this video. Thanks for watching.